Ba Football Association President, Rishi, Ba officials, Tuimba, my colleague, Honorable Assistant Minister for Agriculture, players, spouses, family members, children, well-wishers, Nisambula Vinaka, and a very, very good evening to you all. I know it's a sin to keep you away from the food, but I've got to say my part. First of all, thank you very much, Ilyas, for the invitation. Very late though, but thank you very much for the invitation. And for clarification, I'm not your chief guest. I'm your #1 fan, Ba team. I was, and I always will be. And of course, as a vice president, I haven't been seeing much because my work commitment takes a lot of your time, a lot of my time. But believe me, as soon as I finish my term, I'll come back to Ba and I'll come back to Ba Soccer. Rishi, my space should always be there. Anyways, thank you very much. Indeed, tonight, this evening calls for celebration. And as I look across, all I see is the support that you have rendered to the team. And of course, the team that has made our district proud. Up there, you see 90 titles. I know we are concentrating on BOG win, but if you look at the board there, the achievements of Ba is 90 titles, and that is a feat. And I think no other district will ever match it up. No way, no way. So coming back to support, ladies and gentlemen, it's very important, and I re-echo the words of both the presidents, that the support that the district and the fans render to the team is very important. Many a times, one loss and there's a flood of criticisms. Mr. Patel, you said we have to grow thick skin, and somehow soccer has become politics, even with the support level. And I think I'm the captain of the boat. When you talk about criticisms, even in my work, criticisms, and criticisms. We have to take it. Of course, everybody has a right to criticize, but positive criticism. If we are not happy with the way things are going on, okay, we need to put our voices at the right forum. So to all the fans of Ba Soccer, local and international, please, your team, your district needs your support. It may not be money. It may be your time. It may be your prayers. It may be your well wishes. It may be what we need is positivity from all of you. And I'm sure the drought is over, and this season, Ba is going to beg the other titles that are yet to come, and I'd like to wish you all the best for that. Coming back to Rishi, well, I had always heard Rishi, the name Rishi, but in 2006, I got a surprise visit to my former school. All I knew was this black tinted van which said 4R. Who was inside the van I had never seen. So here comes this van to DAV College, and comes out our late official Shorty. I mean, I think we need to remember him as well. And I was approached to be part of the officials. That was indeed a proud moment for me. My fascination with Ba Soccer started when I was about 4 or 5 years old, and I used to watch soccer from the cracks of the now demolished Govind Park through the tins with my grandfather. Or we would climb up trucks which would be parked there with cane loaded to be taken to Rarawai Mill because we could not afford tickets. So my grandfather used to cook for the Ba team back in those days. I'm talking about late 70s, early 80s. So I used to watch Ba play. And from then, like I said, I've become a #1 fan, and I will remain maybe till my last breath. Any forum I go, when it comes to sports, I do not hesitate to declare my interest that I only support Ba, even though my job title expects me to be neutral, but I will continue to support Ba. So, to the family present here, ladies and gentlemen, it's very important that your support goes with your players. To the spouses, I'm sure a lot of players have girlfriends. Please don't give extra pressure or tension to your men, to your boys. They need all the support. To the mothers, keep showering your love and blessings to your children because they are doing a great job, and I'm sure they have a lot on their plate. Balancing work and balancing this commitment is not easy. I have been with Ba Soccer for 2006, and I've seen the struggles that the players go through, the struggles that the officials go through, and believe me, if we do not have Rishi, as the president. I mean, many claim to lead bar football. Many have come forward and said, step aside and we will. I think all we need to do is to look at what Rishi has done. And at this point, I'd also like to thank Renu, his wife, for standing by him. It's very important that we do not forget Renu. She's not here today. His two sons, who are probably his pillar of strength. And the officials, I know it's not easy. It's not easy getting victory to the district. It's hard work. Not everybody sees that. A lot of people just see goals not being scored. A lot of people see mistakes made by players on the field and they start criticizing and judging. Like the president said, who are we to judge? Let the boys take the field. Let us give them all the support, the moral support, and our best wishes whenever they take the field to play. Sometimes when you sit and watch, I sit and watch, and you hear comments from the back coming from people who probably wouldn't spend 1 cent on the team, it hurts. It hurts. And we as officials in many tournaments, Ilyas, I remember, we have sat, we have laughed, we have counted goals, we have been disappointed when goals were not scored, we have been happy with the wins, we have cried over the losses, I remember. And we have danced in jubilation when our team wins. No matter what, the officials are always there for the team. And of course, we need the players, the defense to come out in big numbers and support. If you can't do anything, please be behind the team and stop criticizing, especially as mentioned on social media. You can write to the president and say, look, this is how we want the team to go, and all that can be, every problem has a solution. Now coming back to soccer, you know, that's what Bar has. You're going to get very soon you're going to get a new stadium. 4.8 million, Rishi? 4.2 million? Close to well over $4 million stadium. That is our government's gift to the people of Bar. You will also get a $30 million new hospital which will be opening soon in Bar. That is our government's gift to you, ladies and gentlemen. We are delaying the opening of the hospital because we want the hospital to be operated by an overseas service provider. We want what is best for you. So for the time being, I would plead with you to bear with us. Mission Hospital is still in operation, but very soon, when the new Bar Hospital at a cost of $30 million opens its door, it's going to benefit the people of Bar, Lautoka and Thavua as well. So just bear with us and be patient. And finally, like I said, it's a time to celebrate. But in our celebration, let us not forget those who have lost their loved ones this morning. That is an eye-opener for us. I know the bar is open. I know you'll be drinking. That's all good. Please be careful if you are driving on the roads. You have families here with you. You have children back home who are waiting for you. You have your parents who will be waiting for you. So drink sensibly. If you cannot drive, please don't drive back home. Okay? We want you safe and sound. And again, let us enjoy this moment. Because what's going to happen the next month, we don't know. You and I may not meet tomorrow. Who knows? So make the most of this evening, enjoy, socialize, and thank God for giving us this opportunity to celebrate with our friends and well-wishers. So with these words, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Just a humble plea, going back to the accident this morning, if you have time, please go and visit our blood banks. There are patients who may be needing blood because they have lost a lot of blood. In your own time, do go and contribute whatever you can towards our blood bank. Okay? Thank you very much, and please enjoy. And congratulations once again. I'm very good at feeding. I shouldn't be, it's too much sugar.